Hi guys, today I'm back with another little earring mold. This one is clear, so I thought I'd use UV resin today. So I've mixed up 2 colors of resin. I have added a silver holographic glitter called MoonShine, and that's going to be the top part. And then I am adding, for the bottom part, a purple blue glitter combo. It's called Sagittarius from Glitter Overload. So I'm just going to fill these bits up and we'll see what it turns out like. Okay, I'm just going to take my little flat tool here. You could use a toothpick tool too, and just make sure it's pressed into these little delicate parts here, just at each end. Now, another trick is, before I put this under the UV lamp, which I'm going to do for 3 minutes each side, I know that's a lot, but I just really want to make sure it's cured. I will lift it up and check from the bottom to make sure that you can't see any air bubbles from that side. Okay. So I'm just going to drag these over to the UV lamp and I'll be back. Okay, so these guys have had 3 minutes each side. So I've just did it under the UV lamp for 3 minutes here, then flipped it over and did another 3 minutes from this back side. Wow, that's really pretty and detailed. So these little tiny excess bits here, they just come off, they just chip off. And look at those leaves. So I think I have to jump ring these together, and then I might put a hoop at the top. So let me put these together and I'll show you the finished product. And there you have it guys, the finished product. And aren't they pretty? Gosh, that was such a quick craft with the UV resin. So totally give this mold a go guys. And catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye guys.